Standard 11th Business Mathematics Exercise 5.1 Sixth question. If f of x is equal to e power x and g of x is equal to log x to the base e, then find your first subdivision f plus g of 1, second subdivision f g of 1, third subdivision 3f of 1, fourth subdivision is 5g of 1. Your formulas are here. So it is given f of x and g of x. We'll have to find all these subdivisions. Okay. So for that we can use this formula, that is f plus or minus g of x means you can write it as f of x plus or minus g of x. That is, you can split your f and g separately with your x. That is f of x one function, g of x is your next function with plus or minus. You can split it up. Okay. And here the second formula is fg of x, that is in multiplication. So you can split your f and g separately with x. So you get your f of x into, nothing is there means into is there. Okay. So f of x into g of x. If you have c f of x means c is your constant. Okay. So you can remove your constant separately outside and club together your f of x together. So these are the formulas, we can use it here. Okay. So now given f of x is equal to e power x and g of x is equal to log x to the base e. So this is your values are given. Your first subdivision is f plus g of 1, we'll have to find it. So first we'll have to find f plus g of x. Okay. So first f plus g of x you'll have to find it. That is this format. But with plus only it is there. So if it is plus here also you will have plus. Okay. So that is equal to f of x plus g of x. So now your f of x is here. So just substitute. In the place of x it is e power x plus. In the place of g of x we have got log x to the base e. Now they have asked you to find f plus g of 1, okay. But we have got f plus g of x. So in the place of x you will have to replace 1. Then you will get f plus g of 1, okay. So your next line is f plus g of 1. So wherever x is there, put 1, which is equal to, straight away here you can give your x is equal to 1, okay. So you will get it as e power 1 plus log, here 1 is there, so 1 to the base e, which is equal to e power 1 is nothing but e itself, plus log 1, the answer is 0. Okay, if you want you can write it. Log 1 to the base e is equal to 0. Log 0 to the base e is equal to 1. So these are the values. The value will be interchanging. Log 1 means 0, log 0 means 1. Okay. So log 1 it is there, so the value you can give it as 0. E plus 0 is equal to e. So I'll just repeat it again. First what is asked, for that the function of x you will have to do it. That is f plus g of x, split up your f plus g using this formula. Okay. So f of x plus g of x, your f of x will be here, g of x will be there. So write as it is there. Then you will have to substitute in the place of x, they have asked 1. So put 1 here. Wherever in your answer you got x, just replace your 1. Then e power 1 is nothing but e itself. Log 1 means answer is 0. So e plus 0 is equal to e. So this is your first subdivision answer. Second subdivision, your question is fg of 1. Okay. So what you will have to find is fg of 1. So if 1 is given, first we will have to find fg of x. Okay. So fg of x. Now getting back to your formula, your second formula fg of x is equal to, you can split up and write it as f of x into g of x. So here you will get f of x into g of x. So f of x is there in your question, e power x, into your g of x is log x to the base e. So you won't be able to do anything, so leave as it is. Now you will have to substitute your 1. Okay, so that is fg of 1. So wherever x is there, so you will have to replace by 1. Okay, so which is equal to e power x is there, so put 1, log x is there, so give 1 to the base e. So which is equal to, so e power 1 is e itself, but log 1 we have got 0, but here it is into, okay, f of x into g of x. So you can write into 0. So E into 0 will get your answer 0. So this is the answer for your second subdivision. Third subdivision, that is here 3f of 1 you'll have to find it. So first we'll just find 3f of x. So we can split up using this formula. Okay, c is a constant. So c f of x means you can write c separately, f of x together. Now 3 is a constant here. So 3 separately, f of x together. First you will have to split up like this. Then 3 into your f of x here we have got in your question, that is e power x. So 3 into e power x will be your 3f of x answer. Okay. But what we'll have to find is 3f of 1. Now 3f of 1. So in the place of x we'll have to put 1. So in your answer also wherever x is there you'll have to give 1. Okay, so that is equal to 3 e power x means e power 1 you will get, which is equal to 3 into e power 1 is e itself. This is the answer for your third subdivision. Fourth subdivision, 5g of 1. So 5g of 1 we'll have to find it. So first replace your x, 5g of x you'll have to find it. So which is equal to, you can use this formula, that is c f of x, c will be separate together, f of x together. Okay. So now here 5 you can remove, that is a constant, g of x you can write together. So it is equal to 5 is there as it is, g of x is there in your question, that is log x to the base e. Now we will have to find 5g of 1. So 5g of 1 is equal to 5 into g of 1 you can write. Straight away you can substitute in the place of x 1. Okay. So 5 into log 1 to the base e. So log 1 you all know the answer, log 1 to the base e is equal to 0. So you can use this value which is equal to 5 into, you will get this 0 which is equal to 0. So this is the answer for your fourth subdivision. Altogether this is the answer for your sixth question.